Hello everyone and welcome to today's webinar on thermal profiling system. I am Sagar Singh from Tempsens. Thanks for joining us today. So we start today's webinar. So who we are? We are Tempsens, a global leader in thermal and cable solution from 1976 as a part of Pyrotech. Our mission is innovation with passion, excellence and reliability. So our Pyrotech group has three different divisions. We are Tempsens working in a thermal and cable solutions. Second is panel division. Third is electronics division. This division helps to find solution in different ways. As a Tempsens also expands its route globally. We are working globally at USA, Germany, Saudi Arabia, Indonesia, South Korea, and India. Tempson's done very excellent year by year growth in the market. We are globally leader in thermal and cable solution from 1976. In the area of innovation and research, we have more than 55 members in our R&D team, spending more than 3% profit in R&D, 13 patents with 20 certifications in each area, electronics, mechanical and thermal. Tempsons itself have a different business unit in India. One is contact temperature sensors, cables, industrial heaters, non-contact temperature sensors, conductors, furnace, temperature calibrators, and calibration services. So some of key industries are for Tempson's product are like metal industry, power industry, glass, oil and gas, defense, aerospace, cement, and R&D purposes. Tempsons have different types of required calibration certifications. Tempsens is already working with many non-government and private firms. You can already you can see here. So let's start with a quick review. What exactly is thermal profiling? Thermal profiling system is an advanced solution to a traditional furnace, oven, calibrator systems or a process. This system provides real-time temperature monitoring and control, optimizing process from steel heat treatment to a PCB oven profiling. So what is thermal profiling? It is a process of recording and analyzing temperature data during heating or manufacturing to ensure consistent product quality, product process safety, and energy efficiency. We use thermal profiling. So why thermal profiling matters? Because incorrect temperature profile can lead to poor quality, rework, or even complete failure of the product. With thermal profiling, we gain insight and control that helps improve reliability and output. Here you can see different temperature graph according to process like electronics, food, polymer and composites, paint curing and powder coating, clean and ceramics, metal and alloy like slab and billets. So our thermal profiling system includes thermocouple for accurate temperature sensing. Second is data logger for recording readings. Third is thermal barrier box, which protects the logger in high temperature environment. Fourth is SmartTrack software for easy visualization and report making. This is our SmartTrack 10 data logger. With this comes with the 10 channel input, plus minus 1 degree accuracy, 0.1 degree resolution. It can store up to 5 lakh readings with date and time. It is a lightweight, durable, and wireless ready product. perfect for industry needing real-time data during heating. We also working on our new 20 channel and slim data logger. It will be soon released for customers. It is in a R&D phase. Our thermal barrier boxes protects the logger in high temperature zones. We use special insulation and PCM material to absorb heat even up to 1300 degrees Celsius. We offer different model based on time and temperature requirement. One is dry insulation and second is evaporative type barrier box. Dry insulation preferred for certain duration in controlled environment. Other than evaporative barrier used for ideal for ultra high temperature. Here a quick look of temperature and duration metrics for our different barrier models from PCB to slab and billet heat treatment. We also support custom designs based on your furnace, time, and temperature requirement. So, if we have oven furnace entry gate like size of oven, operating temperature, process time, environmental condition, process details, we can customize your solution as a customized thermal barrier box as per your requirement. We also offer various thermocouple props like surface, air, exposed junction, minimax, etc. Uh, each is optimized for a different environments in oven and furnaces. Our smart track software makes profiling easy so you can view real-time graphs, analyze data, generate reports, data backups, curing time calculation and configure data logger itself. Now let's look at real-world applications. In heat treatment, profiling is used for carburizing, nitriding, annealing, and hardening processes. So we ensure the temperature profile meets the correct standard to get the desired hardness and structure. Let's start with the general heat treatment processes. For glass, metal, high temperature heat treatment and quality and calibration team, our thermal profiling system makes sure the product reaches the right temperature at the right time. All the processes can elaborated in this. First, in the aluminum industries. So it's like a can making. Heat treatment is used for softening and coating the can. In annealing and solution treatments, heat treatment makes metal easier to work with. Brazing at 600 degrees Celsius to joint aluminum parts, edging treatment for strength in alloy wheels and aerospace parts. Profiling helps to maintain tight control over temperature to avoid any defects. Secondly, in a steel production, slabs are heated to 1100 to 1300 degrees Celsius for rolling into plates. Billets are softened at 900 to 1250 degrees Celsius for rods and bars. Carburizing improve surface hardness, ideal for parts like gears and bearings. So thermal profiling ensures that entire piece is evenly heated before shaping. Next is ceramic and brick manufacturing, where tunnel cleans and roller hearth system operates between 1000 to 1400 degrees Celsius. Our thermal profiling system placed below the cart where temperature is below 250 degrees Celsius to 300 degrees Celsius. Ensure that firing is uniform, helping prevent cracks and improve strength and appearance in ceramics. Next is coating lines, where powder and paint curing used commonly for appliances, auto parts, and machineries. Like PTFE coating used for cookwares and industrial non-stick applications. Dichromate coatings used in corrosion-resistant fasteners. Thermal profiling helps to confirm coating cure evenly and reliably. So thermal profiling also helps in food processing like baking, roasting, and frying for texture, safety, and flavor. So basically, it can also use for freezing for preservations. Next is for electronics. Reflow ovens for soldering chips. Selective soldering used for precise jointing in complex PCBs. Uh, Other than that, used in phones, cars, and computers when to avoid damage and poor connection. At that point, thermal profiling comes in a role to monitor all the temperature in the complete process. In solar industries, like silicon purification, thin film deposition, lamination, and drying, make sure panel lasts more than 25 years and 30 years. So thermal profiling here helps to track and improve efficiency and life of solar modules. When thermal profiling is doing so, thermal barrier box and thermal profiling system ensure that every temperature noted with the time. For textile manufacturing, like dyeing, flame retardant, wrinkle-free coating, and carpet baking, all require specific temperature from 60 degrees Celsius to 180 degrees Celsius. So thermal profiling keeps the fabric quality consistent and production make it safe. In automobile plants, paint curing and glass shaping and sealant curing, like thermal profiling used for perfect finishing. In the glass industry, we use profiling for process like windshield foaming, lamination, bottle and glass annealing, tempering which improves strength by heating and cooling fast. Thermal profiling ensure that heat is uniform and controlled, especially important when working with delicate shapes or different types of glass thickness. So in summary, we can say thermal profiling helps in meet standards like ISO, ASTM standards, ensuring correct process temperature, reducing energy cost and wastage, creating quality reports for customers or also for calibration. Thank you.